The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Dvurechная, Sinkovka, Berestovoye in Kharkov region, and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 30 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 motor vehicle and 1 D-20 howitzer were destroyed. In the Krasny Liman direction, aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the center group of forces hit units of the Ukrainian armed forces close to Nevskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Yampolovka and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of up to 225 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer and 1 D-30 howitzer in this direction in the past 24 hours. In total, 405 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,651 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,534 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,501 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,292 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine, in a statement said Russia lost 530 servicemen in a single day, including 8 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles as well as 3 artillery units and 15 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 175,690 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,627 tanks, 6,999 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 405 days. There is still no peace agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of destroying 2 tanks of Russian army. Russian tanks again tried to break through to the positions of the 59th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade, but our soldiers met the uninvited guests properly. The first tank was hit immediately, and the crew of the second tried to escape, said the Armed Forces of Ukraine in official statement, April 4. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky met with his loyalist. I am constantly in touch with our commanders who are confronting the evil state on the battlefield. A special format of our military meeting was held today. General Zelenskiy, regarding Bakhmut, Commander-in-Chief, Chief of the Main Intelligence Directorate, regarding the overall military situation. The Ministry of Defense, regarding the supply of ammunition and everything else according to the needs of our defenders. Decisions are already being implemented, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!